So today we're in my cabinet shop, and a lot of my customers ask for this, especially cylinder soft close drop down box. And we're gonna try this set. I like to keep it on stock because it comes with the hinges, the cylinders, the motor seam bit. So today we're just gonna do a demo on this to show you guys how it works. So today we're showing you how to put a soft close cylinder. So it's usually, this is the way you attach it. You got your hinges, and this is a cylinder. You attach it to your door, and this part is gonna go on your cabinet, just like this.
All right, so this is a demo that we did, all right, for you guys to see. Now, when you're putting tension on this one, make sure that this is extended so you can see that how flat surface to be the 90 degrees. When you're gonna close it, just automatically shuts down it slowly, you know, and then bring it down, same thing. But this is with two of them, all right? Right now we're just doing one side so you guys can see how it looks like and how it works. Now these things, make sure you do have the gap, all right? That's gonna need it for the actual closing and opening. And that's what they give you these, just to make sure you have the gap. Compressed gases are in there, help you guys ease it, put it back on slowly. You know, look at that, really slowly, and then you will bring it down the same way, all right? So this is perfect. Now weight, this could be used for an actual desk. So you could even set up a monitor, keyboard, and desk, and then when you're ready to put it away, look at that. Very simple. So hope you guys enjoy the video.